We've been offered some hospitals in Guam. For example, very recently somebody also asked us to take a look at some bankrupt hospitals in Hawaii. But I think we should focus on the Philippines. Ito naman ang bayan natin, di ba?
Pero there's a possibility.
Oh, pero slight lang. Tapusin muna natin dito sa Philippines.
So after matching yung 3,000 to 5,000.
Well, actually, for example, our shareholders in Indonesia, they're inviting us to actually do something over there. No? They have positions in 2 hospitals there. They also have a small publicly listed company in Singapore called Asia Medic, which is also in the medical field. That's actually a little bit closer to home kasi it's already owned by the group, and in fact we're sort of being invited to get involved in that. So maybe those are the more imminent, pero still our focus should be the Philippines.